So here's how to play Peak with more than 4 players. First, you want to open up your browser and then search for Thunderstore. Now you want to click on the first link and download the Thunderstore. Click on Get App and download it from Overwolf and install it. Now I have it already installed in my computer. So the second step is to search for the Peak Unlimited mod. Now if you can't find it through the manual search like this, I'll put a link in the description to get you directly to the mod page. Now from here you want to scroll all the way down and click on next to download BepInEx. Click on the here to get the link to download BepInEx, which will download a zip file like this. Now you want to open the zip file and extract BepInEx to the desktop. Now you want to open Steam and right click on Peak Game and then go to Manage and Browse Local Files. Now you want to go to Steam Apps. It should usually always navigate to this direction automatically, which is where the game is installed. Now you want to drag and drop the BepInEx folder in here. So I have already dragged it here. Next step is to manually download the mod. So you want to scroll all the way up and then click on manual download. And it should download another zip file like this. Now you want to extract the Peak Unlimited.dll file into your desktop again. Now you can close the zip folder and go back to the game installation directory or path and then drag and drop the Peak Unlimited DLL in here. Now if it still does not work, you can go inside the BepInEx folder and plugins. If the folder plugins does not exist, you should manually create it and then open it and place the DLL file inside as well. Now if you want to configure the max players and spawning extra mushrooms, you should create a config folder manually if you don't have it already, and then open a text editor or notepad like this, and then you want to paste the following text, which is general category and then max players followed by the max number of players, and whether you want to spawn extra marshmallows. So you want to set it to true or false. Then you can click on save and then choose desktop and all. Now you want to call it Peak Unlimited, but at the end the extension should be CFG. Then you want to click on desktop and save it. Now you want to drag that file, the settings file from your desktop like this one, and then place it in here inside the config folder we have created. Now you can close this and launch the game again and wait for it to launch. Now once the game is launched, you should try to click on host a game and test it out. And once it's spawned in, you should be able to invite more than 4 players, but you should not invite many players because it will ruin the experience and make it laggy and cause glitches in the game. So it's recommended to stay under 10 players. Now if for some reason the mod is not working, you can close the game and try to launch it again. And if you're still experiencing an issue, you can try to launch it through the Thunderstore mode manager. So I have opened the Thunderstore mode, and now I want to search for Peak and select Peak, select game and wait for it. Now click on select profile, and then you want to search for Peak Unlimited here and click on this Peak Unlimited by Glarmer. Click on it and now click on download and click on download with dependencies. Now once this is downloaded, you want to go to my mods section and then make sure it's enabled like this. Now you can simply edit the config for it and create a config file if you don't have already. You can click on edit here and edit whatever you like. Now we can go to the settings and specify a path for the game. So we want to scroll down to change Peak folder and then click on it. And this should open up a file browser like this one. Now we want to navigate to the Steam installation directory, which is program files 86, Steam, and then Steam apps, common, and Peak, and then select peak.exe, then click on open. Now we want to go back and click on the run button for modded here, and then wait for it to launch Peak via Steam. Now, once the game is launched, you should be able to host a game and then invite your friends or players. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.